Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about how many Forex pairs should I trade. Okay, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. But in this video, I want to talk about how many pairs should you trade in Forex or crypto or whatever it is that you're trading. Now, the answer to that question kind of depends on what time frames you're trading. Now, personally, for me, okay, I trade the 4 hour, the 1 hour, occasionally enter on the 15-minute time frame, but I very, very rarely enter anything less than 15 minutes. Normally 30-minute is my minimum, very, very occasionally 15 minutes. And because of that, I trade 5 pairs. I trade 5 pairs, that is it, okay? If I don't find any trades on those 5 pairs, I don't go hunting for trades on anything else because, you know, if you spread yourself too thin, if there's too many pairs that you're looking at, you just, you know, you haven't got an idea of what's going on. It's like, I don't know, the best way to explain it, if you've got a room of 50 people and each one of those 50 people tell you their name, you probably can't remember half an hour later, or I certainly couldn't remember what those 50 people's names are. Whereas if you've got 3, 4, 5 people in the same room, the likeliness is you could probably remember those people's names. And the same goes with Forex, okay? You get to know what pairs you're trading, you get to know how they move, where they're at, and all the rest of it. Now, if you're a scalper and you're maybe analyzing on a 15-minute chart and you're looking at maybe entering the market on the 5-minute or the 3-minute or the 1-minute or something like that, then you can probably get away with trading 1 pair, maybe 2 pairs, okay? Because if you're trading smaller time frames, there's a lot more movement, there's a lot more setups that tend to happen in the market because the market's moving a lot quicker. So if you're trading higher time frames, you might want 4 or 5 pairs. If you're trading lower, very small time frames, you might want 1 to 2 pairs. Now, that is what I would recommend. It really depends on the time you've got to look at the markets, kind of what it just depends kind of what you've got going on elsewhere in your life. As I say, I tend to trade the higher time frames because I don't have time to sit on the charts all day. So I'll look at the charts first thing in the morning and I'll look at the charts in the evening. I'll set buy limits, sell limits for all my entries, and then I just let my trades do their thing. Whereas if you're a scalper, you've got time to sit on the charts and you want to trade the 1-minute, 5-minute, whatever it is, then, you know, as I say, you can trade 1 or 2 pairs because that's literally all you're going to need if you're trading timeframes that low. So hope this video makes sense. Hope you've got something out of it. As I say, if you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your Forex journey. So that's it for this quick video, and I look forward to talking with you real soon. Take care.